Yo, peace and love, guys. We are back with another video real quick. This is my end of the year wrap up, and I got a few more packs to just get through, so let's just go ahead and take a look at these real quick. We have the Jordan 1 Pine Green 1.0. At this point, these are kind of older, and I just kind of wanted to have them. They came out in like September 22nd of 2018, so they're pretty old at this point, and it's a classic. These are beautiful. Like, you cannot go wrong with a pine green and sail shoes. They're not white, they're sail. And I think before, like maybe 2 years ago now, I did the purple, what are those, the 1.0s? And I think I have the 2.0s, if there is a 2.0, the metallics. I don't know, but these were dope too, and they remind me of the pine green ones. Now, the pine green ones, if you were to get them retail or resell, actually, they're going for like $450, $550 in my size, which is a 9.5. And while I was browsing the web doing some research, I found this like Celtics inspired, or Celtic Lucky Green, I think they're calling these. I don't know, not sure how I feel about those right now, so I'll probably have them, so we'll just address that then. But the quality of this shoe is just amazing, man. I was like, yo, please send those through. Just because the way they were looking from some pictures they sent over, I was like, yeah, send those through. And I apologize for taking so long to get this video out. I'm in kind of like December hibernation mode, so I'm not really trying to make that many videos. That's no excuse, but again, the quality, it's amazing on these. Like, there's no flaws that I could think of. I probably reviewed over 200 pairs of Jordan 1s, and these are like in the top, man. These are really nice. I mean, you could go to StockX. Well, I don't know about StockX. We gotta stop talking about StockX, but you can go resell on these. 500's a little out of my pay grade, I guess. I wouldn't really spend that much. I don't pay resale for Jordan 1s though. Okay, these held up pretty well. A little squeeze test. I usually don't do that because it kind of messes up the shoe squeezing on it, but they're solid, man. I give these a 10 out of 10. Underneath the black light, you know, there's nothing there. I'll just show you guys so you believe me. A little bit of glue on the midsole, but these are solid. These are 100. Happy holidays, by the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm just straight up chilling right now. I'm like in my robe. I'm just cooling. But let's take a look at these on feet. I had to grab some quick footage before I left work, or there's no chance for me to get these reviews because right now in Colorado, it's like 13 degrees. Sometimes it's 20. This next coming week is going to be like negative 13. So I'm pretty much getting these done wherever I can. And these look good on feet. These, I wouldn't try to match them with anything. I would never wear like a green top with like these shoes to match the green. Like, I don't match greens. I'd wear something totally opposite of the sneaker. But I don't really dress up. I don't really do the drip and all that stuff like you kids do. Some of you guys can actually dress, but I don't really. It's hard enough just to get these videos out in a timely manner. You know what I'm saying? So shoes on feet, that's the best I can do, and they're good. Like, these will wear nice. Like, this is the type of Jordan 1 that you just kind of wear like for like a month straight and just beat it up, and then you put it away for a while, come back to it a little beat up. They look great. You know, you guys know how it goes. But that's pretty much my time. I am out. I'll have another video out tomorrow, and we'll keep it pushing. Peace, love, and light. 1.